Sometimes late at night, I'll wake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights, lay there in the dark. Then a thought crosses my mind: if I never wake up in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? And I'm trying every way to show her every day that she's my only one. If my time on earth is through, she must face this world without me. His Lord gave her in the past, gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes. I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I'm faced with the regret that my true feelings for them never were revealed. So I made a promise to myself to say each day how much she means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. 'Cause if tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Yet I'm trying every way to show her every day that she's my only one. And if my time on earth is through, she must face this world without me. His love gave her in the past, gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes. His love gave her in the past, gonna be enough to last